Alright guys, so I looked it up on the computer and I guess I've figured out the names of the parts for part of the Seiko watch band. There's the pin, which is the part I got right. This guy right here. Then there's the collar, which is the small cylindrical part that goes on the other side. Zoom in on it right there. It's kind of hard to get it focused right there. See how small it is compared to my finger, so they're pretty easy to lose. And here's my monster. Fits really well on my wrist, really comfortable. I really like the sweeping second hand. It's one of the main reasons I bought this. I don't know, it might seem kind of weird to you guys, but it's really interesting to me and looks really cool. So I'll be doing a review on this watch later, but just want to go a little bit more in depth with how the links work on this watch. So I'll try and put these two links together for you guys so you guys can get a better idea. So we got two disconnected links here, and let me show you guys the pin here. Alright, so the end that's in between my thumb and index finger is narrower than the end on the top. The top end is kind of like the collar, like built into the pin. So we want to put the narrower end against the arrow. So for this link, the arrow is pointing up. So I'm going to want to insert the narrow end first, so the narrow end meets the arrow pointing up. So hold these together, slide the pin through, should be able to go through all the way like that. So now we have the pin in, but if you leave it like this and you don't put the collar back in and you wear it, then you could just be walking along and the pin can just fall out, the band will come apart and your watch will fall off. Not good. It's a common mistake jewelers make when people take their Seiko Monsters and you get it sized. Jewelers don't know it's a collar and pin system, so they don't put the collar back in and they lose the collars and people's watches fall off their wrists. So once you have the pin in, then you take the tiny collar, if you can pick it up, and you put it in where the narrow side is. Like that. It's nice and snug there. Get it earlier. I will hold this. The thicker end of the link is right here, and here's the collar. So put the thick end against a hard surface. Use a pen. Push the collar down. There you go, short noise. And there it is, in place. Doesn't fall out. Alright guys, hope that clears some things up on how the Seiko stainless steel band works and how to resize it without your watch falling off later. And I'll have more videos coming to you guys in the future. Thanks, bye.